Wheel.
Wheel.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Thermal imager.
Thermal imager.
Hey everyone, we're FutureFinders at Global Sources.
And we're here to tell you about some awesome electronic and hardware products that you can source from globalsources.com.
Which is a fantastic online to offline platform for sourcing products internationally.
I really like this backlit keyboard. It's so retro.
Yeah, I never thought my old keyboard from the 90s would get a new life. I really love this toolkit. It's got everything, your hammers, your wrench, your tape measures, 8 different kinds of screwdrivers.
You can DIY anything with that.
But you can't beat this. It's a complete tool set. It's got all these different tiny parts and you can use these components in all kinds of combinations.
You want to talk about building? I really like building that smartwatch that you're wearing.
Yeah, this was a fun project. We got a DIY kit and built this ourselves.
I really like that we build stuff together.
Anyway, this
Is a thermal imager. It can be used to detect the temperature when you're in a critical environment.
Ow! Oh, and it can also be used as a futuristic weapon.
You can source all of these electronic, hardware, and Autopod products at globalsources.com. And check out our Analyst Choice section, where our experts choose the best products and suppliers for you.
And getting more information is super easy. Just send a request for information for any product that you might like.
And finally, ordering samples is super easy. Just go to our sample order page. I'm getting that toolkit. Check out more FutureFinder videos on our YouTube channel. We'll see you there.